Oh! Hey! And thanks for coming back to another episode of your dreaded economist. I was just painting, one of my favorite pastimes, and I was painting about the 3 rolls of money, so I guess we'll learn about that today. Alright, so we're going to start with our 3 rolls of money. Now, money is what makes that circular flow go around, and money is what we use to get the goods and services that we need and we want in our economy.
Money makes the world go round, the world go round, the world go round. Money makes the world go round, it makes the world go round.
So, let's look at those 3 rolls. Hey, Sir, Ted, do you mind? Oh. Dog slobber. So the first role that money plays is it acts as a medium of exchange, which means it's anything that buyers and sellers in an economy are willing to accept as payment. So in the US, we use US dollars as our medium of exchange, but at some point, people actually used shells, beads, feathers, all of that as their money or medium of exchange. So again, medium of exchange is anything that buyers and sellers in an economy are willing to accept as payment. All right, so role number 2 is going to be standard of value. Standard of value is the role of money that allows us to compare economic value of 2 different goods. So basically, when we see a price tag on 2 different goods, we can see which one is worth more because the price is higher. So, alright, I think she was saying when I'm checking out the price and the value and doing a comparison, typically the standard of value is that whichever one has the higher price tag is the higher value product. So if that's the case, gots to go with this one. Standard of value, again, is how we are able to measure and compare the value of something looking at that price tag. And then finally, we have store value. And this is the role where you can actually put your money away and go back to it at a later date to spend it. Kind of like putting it in your piggy bank. Okay, now that we've learned about the roles of money, we also need to realize that there are 6 characteristics of money. So to begin, it's acceptability, meaning suppliers accept this money as payment. So again, take a look at the US dollar. It's accepted everywhere in the US and many, many nations around the world. Characteristic number 2 is uniformity, meaning everybody's using it and it's the same thing. So nobody's printing their own money and buying their own stuff with fake money. Right? The third one is durability, and this is just the idea that it's not going to ruin too easy. Oh, sweet! I love it when I get to do laundry. I find money. Ability is that it can be divided into smaller amounts. So take a $1 bill or a $5 bill. You can divide that sucker down way to the penny, but it's still worth the same amount. So a $5 bill and 5 ones, they're equal. It's just a divided up amount. Portability is the next characteristic, and this means that it's easy to be transported. So think of that debit card. Ooh. It's so easy to put in your pocket and just travel. It's not even heavy like the change. And then finally, we have limited supply. Limited supply is just the idea that not everybody has limitless money, because then the money wouldn't be worth anything. Whoops. See if you can see how that money plays a role in the circular flow model. Who gives money to who? For what? I think I ate paint on accident. What color is my tongue? Oh.